Hello, my name is Vaishali Ajbale and today's date is 25 January 2024 and today our topic is operators in Java. So what is operator? So operators are used to perform the operation. Operator are used to perform the operation between the two operands. So there are there are some different types of the operator. First is the arithmetic operator, second is the relational operator, then third is the assignment operator, then fourth is logical operator, then fifth is bitwise operator, then increment and decrement operator. So first is the arithmetic operator. So arithmetic operator are used to perform the mathematical operation such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Then for example, if we have the two operands, first is the first take a value num1 equals to 2, then second one value num1 equals to 3. So with the help of the arithmetic operator, we can do the operation in between the two operands. So the syntax is the num1 plus num2, then num1 minus num2, then num1 into num2. Then second is the increment and decrement operator. So increment operator increment and decrement operator is also called the unary operator. So it is in increment operator, it can increment the value of a variable by 1, and in decrement operator we can decrement the value of a variable. It can decrease the value of a variable by 1. Then in this the increment operator have two different types: post increment and pre-increment. In this pre-increment, first it can increment the value of variable. Then third one is the relational operator. The relational operator are used to perform the relation between the two operands. So in this there are multiple relational operator. First is the equal to, second is the not equal to, equal to, then not equal to, then greater than equal to, then less than equal to, or also the less than or greater than. If we take one example, in if condition, in the if condition we take two values, one is 2 and second one is 4. So then if the 2 is less than the 4, so it gives the false value. It gives the false value because it gives the false value. So in this we can perform the operation. Then logical operator. The logical operator are used to perform the logical operation. So first operator is logical and, then second one is logical not, Then third one is the logical or then bitwise operator. So bitwise operator, the bitwise operator are used to perform the individual bits of a number. So it has two different operators. So bitwise and second is the bitwise or. Thank you.